Hi guys, I'm Shikha Taneja. I am the founder of this brand called Emerald Casa, and today is our launch event at the MG Road, Sultanpur, Delhi. And this launch is basically the purpose of this launch, wherein Emerald Casa goes hand in hand with the gifting brand called Izhar. We are friends, so we are family, and we're doing it together. So Emerald Casa, the ideology behind this brand was modern minimalist, neoclassical amalgamation of the East and the West. And I do everything from your turnkey projects to your retail. I do everything, but I basically focus on projects wherein I will be, giving you your dream home. You just have to tell me what your dream is, and I will deliver that to you. Be it your carpets, curtains, furniture, accessories, lighting, anything. I'm a one-stop shop, the Emerald Casa. And yes, one more thing I would like to tell you here, that my products are totally designed by a team which gives you the finest of luxury, comfort, and all the factors that you desire in your home. The warmth of a home, we give you that. Thank you.
Walkie-talkie पकड़ी यार. Wait please.
Look at each other, look at each other.
Hello everyone, this is Anupam Bansal. I'm Director Liberty Shoes, and I'm here at Emerald today, which is a beautiful furniture store launched by Shikha, our dear friend. And I'm also happy to say that she had partners with my wife. She runs Izhar, or gifting and an accessory brand, and today they are having a beautiful launch at this lovely store at MG Road, and I really wish them great success and great business. I think the products are amazing. Take a shot of them, and it will be nice to everybody to have a look at it.
Buddy, this is Manish Malhotra. I am at the opening of one of a beautiful furniture store, which is opened by one of my very dear friend Shikha. You can read the name there, with the collaboration of Izhar. So probably if you're looking for a antique or good rich furniture, probably this is the place where you should come. Thank you.
So in Izhar we recently launched our cutlery collection, crockery and cutlery collection, which is again very useful. People look for something for everyday use and for the guests. So we have got like a lot of variety in that. What I like the best is Roman collection of our crockery set. And this time we are doing जो basically clients को generally they look for what goes with crockery is like what kind of table mats, what kind of napkin ring, cutlery. So we put all the things together, so they get everything in one go, and they don't have to put their brain or go 100 places to look for these things. That is what basically Izhar is known for, to give the solution for the problems.
Hello, my name is Victoria Malik. I'm here in the showroom and I'm completely obsessed about everything. Everything is so classic, so good style. Like I feel like very cozy. Like if you want to have like good decor in your house, I think this is the right place, because have everything you want, and like it's so good quality, so good touch, very elegant way. I think this is the place you make your house become cozy and like warm for your family and friends.
Hi, I'm Dr. Khushbu Gupta. I have been invited here for the launch event. So we have Emerald Casa as well as Izhar over here. So I looked at the collection, very impressive. I'm definitely going to buy some of the things here. Please come here and visit to identify the best piece for your home. So lovely experience. Come here. This is right on the MG Road, and I'm loving it. You would love it too. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarika B. Malik from All Things Sweet, and I'm here at the opening and launch of this beautiful furniture place, Emerald Casa by Shikha, and along with Izhar Gifting by Mr. Vijay and Ruchika. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. You must visit. The furnishings are very, very classy. The furniture, everything is beautiful, and even the gifting options are wonderful. The layout is amazing. You must come and visit. Do keep in mind.
Amika Sharma from DS Designs. I'm an interior designer. We are here for the launch of Izhar and Emerald. A beautiful space has been curated by them, from the furniture to the home decor. A beautiful creation is what is here, what I can see, and it is absolutely amazing, and looking forward to a fruitful collaboration with them. Thank you.
Purti, I am an influencer on Instagram by the name Purti Shamadar Official. Today I am here in this beautiful event that is in collaboration with Izhar and Emerald Casa. All the pieces are so beautiful, so elegant. I mean, I don't think so you would regret anything to buy it from any of these two brands. All the best.
I'm Jharna Lalwani, and I know Shikha and Manoj for the last 20 years, and they have evolved so beautifully. The collection here at Emerald Casa is beautiful. I think everyone should come and visit this place. This is one of a kind in Delhi, and I give all the congratulations to Shikha and Manoj for the beautiful way they have presented. All the best, guys. Yeah.
Guys, my name is Akansha Pardasani, and I'm a lifestyle influencer. So today here I am at the Emerald and Izhar, the best brands in the home decor. These are the one-stop for your every nook and corner of your house to get jeweled up. And Izhar is like one of my favorite brands since very long. Emerald, I love their collection. It is beautiful. It's one of my favorite lot. So definitely I'm turning up at this place again, and I recommend my friends and family to be part of this place. Thank you.
Hi Shikha, loved your place. Izhar and Emerald Casa, both are amazing. And this is Sapna here. I'm a freelancing anchor, and looking forward to having all your furniture and your stuff, Izhar Curios, in my new house. Love you. Wonderful. Cheers. Thank you.
Akshay and Anita from Gurgaon. We are their neighbors, and they have opened a great. Emerald is one of the best brand for the furniture across Delhi NCR. And for the, if you are looking for the luxury stuff in furniture, you should go with the Emerald Casa only.
And beautiful collection Izhar. We love you, Shikha.
Hello, I'm Dr. Urvashi Mittal. We are Mittals. And if you've met Shikha ever, you will realize she's such a pretty and beautiful lady inside out. So the moment you enter inside, the story unfolds. Her beautiful persona reflects in this store. Here carpet, wall decor and everything speaks to you. So I'm here, and the thing is, the more you meet her, the less it is. And the same thing goes for Manu also. Manu, Shikha, they are the best of friends, and here we have Izhar also. So Emerald kaisa? Emerald to green hame pata hai, that's a symbol of progress. Or Izhar, so all the lovely perfect pieces. I'm so thankful to Vijayji and Shikha and Manu for inviting us to this first, I believe, the preview, and I'm sure we will turn into permanent customers, and we are friends also. So here's me, both of us wishing them all the best. Rise and shine.
This store is best. मैंने बहुत स्टोर देखे, तो यहाँ का जो लवली फर्नीचर, लवली इंटीरियर, हर फर्नीचर में जो चीज़ है वो कहीं और नहीं मिली मेरे को. It's very good.
Diya Wadhwa, and he's Pratik Wadhwa. So the stuff here is lovely, the aesthetic of the place is amazing, and the host Shikha Taneja is amazing. It's I want to wish all the best to Izhar and Emerald Casa, and wish them all the success in the world for the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So this is Pratik again. She is my wife. We had been to so many furniture stores like across the world, but I think this is one of the most contemporary designs which we have seen today. And all the best to Shikha Taneja and Manoj ji, and wish them success for all over the world. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Jaspreet. I'm an interior designer. My company name is Tamura Interiors, and I'm here to see this stuff. It's amazing. I really like the stuff. The way they have merged everything, and I think all the finishing, maybe it's me who can tell that all the different type of finishings they have come up with, and then Izhar's pieces They are complementing so well with them that really can enhance the furniture. Lovely furniture. God bless.
Hi, I'm Dimple. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. And of course, Izhar, I've been connected for so long. Their pieces, they always speak volume for each other. And everything is blended so well. And like each is complementing the other. The furniture is complementing the pieces, and the pieces are complementing the feature. So beautiful, beautiful output. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, hi, this is Sanjeev.
Hi, this is Vasudha. And we like the store very much. The collection is beautiful and it's out of the world collection for us. Thank you.
Amazing collection, adorable stuff everywhere. It's mind blowing.
Yeah, hi, my name is Ajay Gumbar. I am a chartered accountant by profession. I handle finances. Vijay is a very good friend of mine, and I congratulate Vijay and the entire team of Emerald Casa and Izhar for this particular launch. And I've experienced this. This is a really beautiful place, really nice to visit at least for once, and I'm sure you will love it. Thank you so much.
Me, Sanjay, captain with the airline SpiceJet. It was lovely being here. Really loved the absolutely wonderful collection of furniture and artwork which was there from Izhara. Would love to have each and every portion of it, each and every bit of it in our household. Congratulations team Izhara and Emerald for such a big, beautiful show that you guys have put. Thank you very much.
I'm Navya, and I'm like my friend Krish Taneja has invited me to this beautiful store, and this store is like very beautifully made, and the elements of this store is very beautiful. Everyone should come and shop for their home, and this is it's my kind of taste. Like it's called Gen Z word, it's called aesthetics. So it's very good, very beautiful.
Hi, I'm Asim Galotra. I'm a director in BNI Gurgaon. BNI is a networking organization, and we have one of the members has opened a fabulous showroom, Vijay Sharma, in Izhar with Emerald Casa, and I really like it here. It's lovely, and so many business people are here, and so much action is happening here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.